5 important hormones and how they help you function. You need to know. Hormones are chemical messengers that use your bloodstream to travel throughout your body, to your tissues and organs. Do you know that your body houses 50 different types of hormones? They control a number of functions, including metabolism, reproduction, growth, mood, and sexual health. Let's take a closer look at 5 important hormones and how they help you function well. 1. Insulin. The fat storage hormone, insulin, is released by your pancreas and regulates many of your metabolic processes. This hormone makes it possible for your organs, liver, and fats to absorb glucose. If your body doesn't generate enough insulin, or if it isn't using it well, blood sugar accumulates, can set you up for diabetes. 2. Melatonin. The pineal gland in your brain produces melatonin, which is instrumental in your sleep or wake cycles and your internal body clock. As the light of day becomes dark of night, your brain amps up your melatonin levels to prepare you for sleep. Interruptions to natural darkness impair melatonin levels and sleep quality. For instance, late-night exposure to the blue light of screens can interrupt natural sleep dreams. 3. Estrogen. Also known as the female sex hormone, estrogen is released by a woman's ovaries. It's a crucial element of the development of breasts, pubic hair, and the widening of the hips. In addition to regulating a female's periods, estrogen is also involved in bone formation, blood clotting, and the health of your skin and nails. If you are depleted in estrogen, you may have low moods or depression. When estrogen levels fluctuate, as they do during menopause, you may experience hot flashes, low libido, and weight gain. 4. Testosterone. Testosterone is the sex hormones that's manufactured in male testicles and female ovaries. It's most often associated with sex drive, but is also closely associated with muscle and bone mass, and the distribution of fat cells. Low levels of testosterone cause erectile dysfunction, low sex drive, decreased semen production, loss of muscle and low bone density. 5. Cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone. It's natural alert system to let you know when you're under duress. While it's helpful when you need to be aware of imminent danger, consistently high cortisol levels can lead to anxiety, weight gain, migraines, heart problems, irritability, brain fog, and sleep disturbance. If you want to know how to increase your melatonin naturally, then click on I button above.